The mission of GHO is actually to provide public health training and particularly community engagement training for individuals around the world, particularly in developing countries.
The thing that makes me the happiest and proudest to be part of GHO is changed lives. People that we've worked with who had no hope have turned to people of hope.
It's something that's so totally different. It really struck a chord with me on how to not only assist, but how to have a lasting and an enduring impact in a developing nation.
We are helping communities take ownership of their destiny in a way that's more meaningful than doing it for them.
Seeing the communities actually make their decisions and follow through on them, and then return and come back and visit later in a few years and see the changes.
Seeing that and understanding that people now have taken charge of these problems and are moving forward on their own, with or without you, is probably the greatest success and the most satisfaction I've ever had in my life.
What gets me most excited about GHO is knowing that we are going to be able to help lives across seas and be able to reach into communities that maybe have never been touched before or don't have the resources, and that we'll be able to make a difference.
The fact that the community engagement itself is a new area of public health, and that it's not commonly offered through traditional public health challenges, means that GHO has such an incredibly important mission to provide this kind of training.
Through organizations like Global Health Outreach and Steer Incorporated, a cattle rancher can change the world.
So the question is, how can a person who can't write that check help an organization like GHO? And the answer is to do exactly what they do. Raising a cow or a lamb or any type of livestock or even a crop, and provide for GHO in that way. The cow will transform itself into an enduring program that is brought to developing nations.
As humans, we live in a global village. We sometimes have to look to others for help. Much of the world is looking to us for help now. And this is an incredible opportunity for farmers, ranchers, and dairymen to utilize the skills that they have to impact the world. God wants all of us to use our talents and gifts for His purposes. That's why He put us here on this earth in the first place.